I see a lot of talk about the 50-50, going 50-50 in a relationship. But for me, I tell them not to get involved with other people's relationship. I think people should do whatever brings them joy, whatever makes them happy. I can't tell another person what to do in their relationship. I can only speak for what works for me and my partner. And if me and my significant other is happy, whether it's 40-60, 50-50, 100-100, as long as we got joy in that house, as long as our spirits are healed, as long as we are living our purpose and we are living our dream, and we walk out of the house that is being paid for, and we are being a light to the world, I'm happy within my relationship. So I think that more people should put energy into having a healthy relationship with theyself so that they can have a better relationship with their partner and focus less on what others are doing and more on their own relationship. And I think that will lead them to having 100% joy within their own heart and stop focusing on 50-50 or who paying for what.